Hi, this is Zach with K-Ratio, and this is our next card of the month featuring K-Ratio Freight Intelligence Dashboards, a data reporting and visual analytics tool for carriers, shippers, and 3PLs. Today's card is called the Wasteland, as it shows a brokerage's negative margin freight. Our date filters are again located up top, allowing you to select any month or year. You can even do group selections, so if you wanted to look at a certain quarter, you could select the months 4, 5, and 6, for example. And with those simultaneously selected, the rest of the card will reflect that quarter's data. Then these maps show bubbles of negative freight. The top map is origin locations, and the bottom is destination. When we hover over a bubble of negative freight, we can see important details, such as the total loss amount, as well as the count of the number of negative loads inbound or outbound from a location. Then, by clicking on a bubble, we can see how our bar graph responds by breaking out the negative freight between all of the customers. In this example, we can see that all of the negative freight for inbound Tennessee is tied to one customer account. And so you can start to make some quick insights and start asking questions. Could this be a bad quote to the customer? Or maybe this account is simply a strategic loss leader. In other cases, such as outbound Illinois, we see the negative freight is tied across several accounts. And now you might want to question the quality or the size of your carrier network in this location. Other features of the card include your summary numbers on the bottom showing total load loss amount, load loss count, as well as your, in this case, negative profit per load. You can also look at both sides of your portfolio with the click of a button, looking at your spot freight performance versus your RFP or contract freight performance. You can also, using the drop-down filter on the bottom left, choose a specific customer account to examine. Finally, in our reference table here, we can view in real time the actual order information straight from your TMS platform. Here you can see order numbers to reference to, and you can also sort these orders by their load loss amount. And in doing so, we can actually see for this account of contract freight, we have a massive outlier of almost $12,000 compared to the usual loss that we've been running on this lane. So while this may be a strategic loss leader, clearly we have an anomaly that is most likely a billing error. Visual and real-time data will get you making smarter decisions as well as finding solutions to questions that you weren't even aware of. With K-Ratio Freight Intelligence Dashboards, you'll no longer need to wait until the end of the month or quarter to find these types of insights or discoveries. These cards are automated into your lap and available throughout the day for all of your departments. For more information on K-Ratio's Freight Intelligence Dashboards, visit kratio.com and use the contact form to request your demo for Freight Intelligence today. I'm Zach with K-Ratio, and I'll talk to you next time in our Freight Intelligence Dashboard Card of the Month.